Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 6.3 question number 1. Find 35 minus 20. Let us solve question number A. Question number A is, here is C. Question number A is 35 minus 20 minus, in bracket it is 20. Now first of all you have to know what is the multiplication of the mathematical operations. Let us take, if we multiply plus with plus, multiply, that is plus into plus, that will be equal to plus, right? And minus, multiplication of minus will get plus, right? And plus multiplied with minus, we get minus, right? And minus multiply with plus, we again get minus. This is the multiplication rule for mathematical operations, that is plus and minus. That is plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is minus, right? Now we'll solve the problem 35 minus of 20. In bracket, here you see, here there is no sign, that means plus sign is there. Then is plus into plus, that is minus into plus, the answer is minus, right? Therefore we'll subtract it, right? Is equal to 35 minus 20, right? Now you see, 1 is plus, 1 is minus. 35 there is no sign, that means it is plus. In 20 it is minus. 1 is plus and 1 is minus. What is the rule? First of all, you have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. The bigger one is 35 and the smaller number is 20, right? That means you have to subtract 20 from 35. We are subtracting here, you see, 35 minus of 20. We are subtracting this one, that is 5, and 3 minus 2 is 1, that is 15, right? First write the answer, that is the number is 15. Now sign. Now we see that this is 20, this is 35. Which one is bigger or larger? 35 is greater number than that of 20, and the sign of 35 is plus, therefore it will be plus, right? The plus 20 is the answer, right? This is the solution of question number A, right? Now we'll solve question number B, right? We'll solve question number B. Let us rub this one. Now we'll solve question number B, that is 72 Now question number B is what we find, that is question number 72 minus 90, right? 72 minus 90. Now question number B. Question number B, we'll solve question number B. It is 72 minus, in bracket it is 90, right? Now we can write 72. Here you see, in bracket there is no sign, that means it is plus, it is minus. Minus into plus, that is minus into plus is minus, right? Therefore it is minus 90. Now you see, 1 is plus, 72 there is no sign, means it is plus sign, and in here minus 90 it is minus. 1 is plus, 1 is minus. That means you have to subtract the the smaller number from the greater number, right? The larger number is greater number is 90. If you subtract it, 72 you subtract. And what you are getting? 2, 8, carry 178, 1, 18. Here it is 18. Number is 18. Now sign. Here you see 72 and 90. Which one is greater? 90 is greater. Therefore, the sign will be minus. The minus 18 is the answer of question number B. Right? Now we'll solve question number C. That is question number C. We'll solve this one. We'll solve question number C. Therefore, question number C is minus 15. Question number C, you see here. Right? Now this is question number C. Now question number C. Question number C is what? Question number C. Question number C is minus question number C. Question number C is minus 15. That is minus 15 minus of minus 18. Right? Now we can write minus 15. It is minus 15. Now what will get? Minus into minus. Here you see minus into minus is plus. That will be plus 18. 1, 8. Now you see this here. The one is plus, one is minus. That means you have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number. The greater number is 18 and subtract it from here. 15 is subtract. 5, 603. The number is 3. Now you see 15 and 18. Which is greater number? That is 18 is greater. Therefore, the sign is plus. Therefore, the sign will be plus. That is plus 3 is the answer. Right? That is question number C. Right? Now, we shall explain question number D. Right? We have this one. Now, question number D. Question number D is minus 20 minus of 13. We will find what we will get. Right? Now, let us find what we are getting. Right. Now, we shall discuss question number D. Question number D is here you see. Question number D. Question number D is minus 20 minus 20 minus in bracket it is 13. Right? That is, it is minus 20. You can write minus 20. And here you see there is no sign, that means this plus is there. Minus into plus, that is minus into plus is minus. Right? Therefore, it is minus 13. Now, what is the rule for this? The rule for this is they have the same sign. That means you have to add the numbers. Right? We add the numbers. That is 20 and 13. We will add the numbers. That is 3. 2 plus 1, 3. That is 33. And the sign is same. That is, this is minus. I mean, this will be also minus. Right? This is minus 33 is the answer of question number D. Now we will solve question number E. Let us rub this one. Now question number D. Question number D. Question number D completed. Now question number E will solve question number E now. Okay. Now question number E, we will find question number E. What is question number E? Let us find. Now question number E. Now question number E is 23. 23. This is 23 minus of minus 12. That means we'll getting 23 minus into minus. You are getting here, you see that is minus into minus is plus, right? Therefore it is plus 12. It is very, we have to add this one. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 1, 3, 35. Sign is same, the both are plus, that means it is plus, or it is, answer is 35, plus 35 or 35. Same, if there is no sign, that means it is plus, right? 35 means plus 35, right? This is question number E. Next we will solve question number F, right? Now we will solve question number F, right? This is question number E. Now we will solve question number F. Now you see question number F is, now you see question number F. Question number F. Question number F is minus question number F. Minus 32 minus 32 minus of minus 40. Minus 40. Now you see this is minus 32, and we see here there is minus into minus, that is minus into minus is plus, right? Therefore it is plus 40. Now you see one is minus and one is plus, that means you have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Greater number is 40, this is 40, you subtract 32, that is 8, that means we are getting the number 8. And here you see this is minus, this is plus, which is greater number, 40 is greater, therefore the number will be plus 8 is the answer. This is the solution of question number 1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, and also press the notification bell such that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.